Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. Hopefully you'll be as excited as I am. This is my new car reveal. I picked it up a couple of weeks ago. I've only just got around to editing the video and getting everything together for it. Just before I go any further, feel free to hit that like button if you enjoy the video, and there's obviously more content within the channel, and if you really enjoy it, then please feel free to click subscribe. It always helps the channel. Anyway, this is about 3 weeks ago, as I say, and we travelled from Glasgow to Leeds on the train. As you can see, weather was beautiful, scenery was beautiful. It was just lovely, and we picked it up. So you will find out. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the video and what you think of the new set of wheels. I shall leave you now, and thank you again for all the love and support. Take care.